Chun chun teaching TV.
A for apple, apple means save.
A for apple, apple means save.
B for ball, ball means gain.
B for ball, ball means gain.
C for cat, cat means billy.
D for cat, cat means billy.
D for dog, dog means kutta.
D for dog, dog means kutta.
E for elephant, elephant means hathi.
E for elephant, elephant means hathi.
F for fish, fish means machli.
F for fish, fish means machli.
G for goat, goat means bakri.
G for goat, goat means bakri.
H for horse, horse means ghoda.
H for horse, horse means ghoda.
I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream.
I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream.
J for joker, joker means joker.
J for joker, joker means joker.
K for kite, kite means patang.
K for kite, kite means patang.
L for lion, lion means ace.
L for lion, lion means ace.
M for mango, mango means aam.
M for mango, mango means aam.
N for next, next means hosla.
N for next, next means hosla.
O for owl, owl means ullu.
O for owl, owl means ullu.
P for parrot, parrot means tota.
P for parrot, parrot means tota.
Q for queen, queen means rani.
Q for queen, queen means rani.
R for rabbit, rabbit means khargosh.
R for rabbit, rabbit means khargosh.
S for sheep, sheep means jahaj.
S for sheep, sheep means jahaj.
T for tiger, tiger means cheetah.
T for tiger, tiger means cheetah.
U for umbrella, umbrella means chhata.
U for umbrella, umbrella means chhata.
V for van, van means van.
V for van, van means van.
W for watch, watch means ghadi.
W for watch, watch means ghadi.
X for Xmas tree, Xmas tree means Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree, Xmas tree means Xmas tree.
Y for yacht, yacht means now.
Y for yacht, yacht means now.
Z for zebra, zebra means zebra.
Z for zebra,